Ultimate Girls Trip Africa episode 7. Guys, why are you all surprised? Angel has always been in Lavini. She has always been rude. She has always been a hooligan, that one. Angel was physical with Maria. She was physical with Jojo as well. She did beat Jojo up, and it took time for her to take accountability. And when she was asked if she would do it again in her diaries, she was like, how week she would do it again. So she's always been a hooligan with Angel. And at this point, Angel is bullying Crystal. Angel has been provoking Crystal in the table. She has been coming for Crystal, not even sideways, straight up. She has been coming for Crystal. Now, when Crystal retaliates, it's a problem. Now she wants to play a victim. She's like, you don't mention kids. You don't know the reason why I don't have kids and whatnot. She's trying to play a victim card. We know and we acknowledge that is a sensitive issue, but it does not take away the fact that you have been coming for Crystal. Now you got what you were looking for. Stop wanting to play a victim. At this point, guys, I want us to serve justice. Crystal deserves justice. What we're gonna do today is we are gonna go to Angel's socials and write child in her comment section, because that's one thing that triggers her. We are serving justice. We are doing justice for Crystal now. We are gonna go to Jojo's socials. Jojo has no backbone, none whatsoever. And now for me, Nonku is being vindicated once again, because we can tell that Nonku was never the problem, but Jojo was the problem, because she has no backbone. She can't think for herself. We are gonna go to Jojo's social and write all men cheat, all men cheat, all men cheat, all men cheat. We are gonna do the same with Annie. We are gonna go to Annie's socials and write, you are rude, you are mean, you are rude, you are mean, you are rude, you are mean. We need to, Crystal deserves the justice. Also, Crystal is not innocent entirely. No matter what the argument was, no matter you are being bullied, no matter what, but we have no right to touch someone's face. This is very provocative. You don't do that. You don't do that, because you can do this and Mina, I beat you. Now it looks like assault and whatnot. So Crystal was wrong for doing that to Princess J. Coco. That's my take. But Crystal deserves justice for Crystal. That's what we are doing this week. Please comment below. Tell me, what do you think of today's episode?